Hello dear students, today I'll be telling you about positioning. Definition. Positioning is defined as placing the person in such a way to perform therapeutic interventions to promote the health of an individual. Purpose. To provide comfort to the patient, to relieve pressure on various aspects, to improve circulation, to prevent formation of deformity, to carry out investigations, to perform surgical and medical investigations, to prevent pressure sores, to provide proper body alignment, to conduct delivery or labor, to carry out nursing interventions. Positions. First one, you can see here, this is supine position. The patient lies on his back with his head and shoulders are slightly elevated. Uses are comfortable position, examination of head, neck, chest, abdomen and extremities. Surgery of anterior part of the body. So next one, this is prone position. Prone position. A patient lies flat on abdomen, head turned to one side, hands held in comfortable position. Prone position uses are examination of posterior trunk, spines and rectum, surgeries of back to relieve pressure on areas such as sacrum, scapula and heel, after anesthesia to prevent aspiration. So next one, this is lateral position. Side lying position. Patient lies on left side. Major portion of body weight on the hip and shoulders. So the major weight will be dependent on the hip and the shoulders. Uses are comfortable position, relieve pressure on bony prominences, used for enema and for checking rectal temperature. The next one is Sims position. Differ from side lying position. The weight is placed in the anterior ilium, humerus and clavicle. Patient lies on his left with left arm drawn behind the back. Right arm may be in any position. The right thigh is flexed against the abdomen. Comfort devices. Pillow under the head with left cheek resting on it. Place pillow under the upper flex leg from the groin to the foot. Sims position uses vaginal and rectal examination to relieve pressure in the buttocks. Fowler's position. It is an upright position with the patient in a sitting position in the bed with legs resting in the bed. So these are the different types. These types vary with the different degrees. High Fowler is there, semi Fowler is there and low Fowler position is there. So this is Fowler's position. According to the height we can adjust it. So you can see here, this is where we can adjust the height. Fowler's position uses facilitate drainage of abdominal cavity, relieves breathing difficulty, relieves tension on the abdominal sutures, facilitating eating, reading, watching TV, etc. Relaxes large muscles of the back. Orthopneic position, high Fowler's position, over table placed in the front of the patient. Patient to rest both hands on over bed table, supported by pillows and lean forward to the table. Indications are patients with severe dyspnea, cardiac patients, patients with chest drainage. Next one is lithotomy position. The patient lies on her back, the legs are separated and thighs are flexed on the abdomen. The buttocks are kept in the edge of the table and legs are supported by stirrups. Provides maximal exposure of genitalia. Uses are vaginal examination, pap smear, position during delivery for many women. Thank you.